Hey guys! Today we're going to talk about how to make a t-shirt like this yourself. It's really not that hard. The design is simple and you'll end up with a high-quality t-shirt you'll actually enjoy wearing. You'll also get some practice on a simple project before moving on to more advanced patterns with lots of pieces and details. So, what do you think of this outfit? As you may remember, this is a digital sewing pattern available in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. Making this t-shirt will take you about 2 to 3 hours. It's really not difficult, especially since the pattern comes with detailed step-by-step instructions. What to do and in what order. Overall, it's pretty simple. You can print the pattern at home on a regular printer using A4 pages, or have it printed in A0 format at a copy shop. The A0 version is easier to work with because there's a lot less taping required. The instructions follow a clear step-by-step order, so even beginners can easily follow along. The pattern comes in 4 sizes, and you can find your size using this chart. And then, just go out there looking absolutely stunning, mysterious, and irresistible. The rest is up to you. Take a look at these recommended fabrics. They all have one thing in common. They're knit fabrics with stretch, not woven fabrics. That stretch helps the t-shirt fit comfortably and nicely follow the shape of your body. One important thing to remember: seam allowances are not included in the pattern. Be sure to add them before cutting your fabric. Here you can see the complete list of pattern pieces included in the design. And don't rush into cutting your fabric. Take a few minutes to plan a good layout first. It can save you both fabric and money. And then you can enjoy wearing something that's truly your own. A t-shirt like this will be yours and yours alone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to stop by again. I'm already working on my next pattern. This was Tanya, your fashion designer. See you next time. Bye!